King Nebuchadnezzar built a giant statue of gold. He called all the people together and said, "You must worship my statue, or you will go into the blazing furnace." Everybody bowed down except for Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. King Nebuchadnezzar gave them one more chance, but they all said no. Meshach said, "We are not afraid. Our God will save us." Shadrach said, "Yeah, we're not afraid." Abednego said, "Our God will be there with us." So they tied him up and threw him in.
The three friends were not scared at all. They knew that God was going to save them. And each one went into the fiery furnace. The king came to check on them. He was so surprised to see that they were not burning up. He almost fainted when he saw an angel in there with them, and they were untouched.
Their clothes did not even smell of smoke, and King Nebuchadnezzar was shocked. Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, servants of the Most High God, come out. Praise to be the God of Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. There shall be no other God like this, and there shall be no more idols.